We're rolling. Kia ora e te whānau. Hello family. Talitha here from Lifeless Locks. Today I wanted to jump on a quick video and show you a couple of my creations and how you could utilize them. So today I've just finished off some double-ended synthetic dreadlocks. So these are extremely long dreads. Do you like the sound effects? Now these can be tied into your current pre-existing dreadlocks to add different colors, maybe to add accent colors. You can also use them as extensions. So if you've got a softer tip up here, you can pull it apart a bit and then use a crochet hook and grab the end of your dreadlock and crochet it in, so you've got extremely long dreads. But today I wanted to actually show you a different use for these. I also wanted to show you some single-ended synthetic dreadlock creations. I've just made up this sort of unicorn coloured or pastel coloured set. This isn't going to be all one set. I just got creative and I'm going to mix them up and put some beads and some other things on them. But basically I can custom make any colours or styles that you wish. These ones are single-ended, so they've got a little loop at the end. And mainly these are beneficial for people that don't already have dreadlocks, that have normal hair, that want to maybe have fake dreads for a little bit, for a month or two. You can braid them into your hair, okay, and you can pick whatever colors you want. So that's single-ended dreads. And these double-ended ones, here's what I'm going to show you today. So I often run out the door and I forget a hair tie, or I don't want to use a hair tie, so I just use my own hair to tie itself back. So I might grab some hair and then grab one lock and grab another from the other side. Let me know if you do this yourself in the comments below. And I tie a little knot and then away I go. Now there's one thing about this that is to be cautioned, is that sometimes by doing that you can actually get friction spots or kinks in your hair. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so there's some bubbles happening and some kinks going on in my hair. But friction spots as well, and so there's soft spots basically in the dreadlock. So if you want to avoid that, here's another way that you can tie your hair back quickly. Grab your hair, whatever parts that you want. And if you've got your double-ended dreadlock creation, you can whip that underneath and you can pick whatever color you want. You could have one close to your hair color, or you could have something outrageous and something different, a rainbow one maybe. Voila, you do your little hair tie and there you go. You have your little creation. So really quick, easy way to manage and look after your hair by using synthetic double-ended dreadlocks. If you want one, give me a yell. If you want a couple, give me a yell. If you want a full set, give me a yell. They'll be listed on my website really soon. I can do them color specific to your type of hair, or we can get creative and, I don't know, zhuzh it up a bit. That's all from me today. Just wanted to share that stuff with you. I hope you're all well and happy out there and you're looking after yourselves. And until next time, take care and I'll see you in the next video. Ka kite!